What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is for entertainment purposes only. So, I just wanted to do a quick little update on my my positions. So, check this out. If we look at USD CAD on the daily chart, we have about 12 minutes left, and this candle is going to close. And if that closes like that, that's a bearish engulfing on the daily. That's a really, really good sign. So I'm gonna add on, I think, to USD Swiss franc. So if you're not in a position, this could be potential opportunity, you know, for entertainment purposes. Only paper trading. But you can see, you know, I'm really expecting this to come back down into this take profit level. We had this drop, then this correction up into resistance, and then a drop, and now it's correcting like up and down, up and down, up and down. It's coming up into resistance. So if we reach this level, I think I'm going to throw down another 20,000 units, aiming short, because we still have a day. We still got tomorrow at least before the Fed meeting, and then we even have most of Wednesday because the Fed meeting is in the afternoon. So I'm thinking, you know, I got a stop loss on this order right above this little high here. So no matter what, I'm walking away with something there. And then I put this order, the stop loss, in the same spot. So basically, you know, if it breaks this high, I'll make 50 bucks here, but I'm gonna lose 83 here. So I'll end up taking like a $30-something loss. But if we get this push, I'm looking at almost 600 bucks. So I think the risk to reward there is worth it. Yeah, and if you look at this, we're making lower low, lower high, low, you know, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and here we are, we're coming down. So I'm not even looking for the lower low, I'm just looking for this area right here. This bottom, I'm out. And we're gonna see what happens. But if this thing makes a leg down tomorrow, you know, by tomorrow night, and we're not at take profit yet, I may just take profit and get out, because I kind of want to be out before the Fed meeting. USD Mexican peso looks like it's doing the same exact thing. It's correcting up. You can see it's been pushing up into resistance. More than likely we're going to get another drop down to this trend line, take profit, get out. And then USD CAD. So on the daily we have the, it looks like we're going to have a bearish engulfing. Well, we don't, it's not closed yet, so I don't know. But if we do get this daily bearish engulfing, I'm going to hold a little bit longer. You know, I'm up over $1,000 right now on this. I put 50,000 units down, which is $1,000. So I put $1,000 into this trade, and I made over $1,000 off of that $1,000. That is crazy. That is why I'm here. And that was over like a week. So if we can line these up back to back, possibilities are endless here. And then we, you know, once the account's big enough, then we can start throwing down full lots or dualies. We can put down dually lots, triple lots, and really make some money. So what I'm going for here is I got this take profit set right here. I'm thinking about just taking it at that level, because if we look, let's zoom in on this. Let's zoom in on the daily. So check this level out right here. We're looking at this level here where the take profit is. You can see respect, 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 respect. I mean, all the way back. Respect, respect, everywhere. Even recently. Because it's as recent as this level right here where we respected this level. So, this looks like a tough level. Anyway. It's a big one, none the least. So, what I'm thinking, you know, I did say I was going to hold this no matter what, but I want to be smart about this. And you got to take profits off the table, man, if you're going to make money. Yeah, look at the MACD. MACD on the daily. These are nice and wide open. This looks like this looks healthy to the downside. RSI is not oversold. Nice. So yeah, this is what I'm thinking right here. If this thing comes down to this level, I'd take profit and then see what happens on the Fed meeting. Right? The Fed meeting happens, and let's just say, oh, well, it broke. Okay, well, if it breaks after the Fed meeting, we'll wait for the retest of that same area and get back in. Aiming to the downside, and we'll finish the move. But let's say the Fed meeting happens and this thing launches back up. We come up into these levels. Well, then it was a great idea to take profit there, and we can start rebuilding our position short up at the top. Because I'm not going to my bias is short on this, and I'm not, like, to me it just seems too risky to buy. Big picture, it's like any time now this is going to break. But we are in an uptrend. I need to remember that. We are still officially in an uptrend. We are not in a downtrend yet. We need to come and break below this green trend line and close below it before that uptrend is officially over. And we're not there yet. So I'm just going to try to play this as smart as I can, but I do think I'm getting a little bit better. I mean, normally I would have either taken profits already, or as soon as it started coming against me, and it was like up here, I was at like $670 in profit, but I held firm. Figured this could be just a, you know, retest of resistance, and it looks like that's exactly what it was. So I'm looking for, yeah, that little push, take profit, get out, and then we will see what happens after the Fed meeting. Other than that, it looks like the Bitcoins possibly is retracing as well. We just had this big rotation. It's retracing back down into support. Hopefully it holds here and it pushes higher. That'd be great. And then copper. What? Copper's up? Yeah, for you copper junkies out there, you know, I know the last time it was 10 years in between highs, and that's a long time. But I don't know that it's going to be 10 years. Because you look back here, we had this high 2008, and then we busted through and made a new high in 2011. So it was only a couple of years. So I'm thinking that's kind of the scenario that I'm looking at right here. I'm looking for a move down to the 250 area, you know, possibly by the end of this, you know, by 2023-ish, early 2023. And then from there, you know, it could be 2024, 2025, maybe just a couple of years. And we're back up, new high, $5-6 maybe. More than likely 5 something, 5 and change. So, I mean, we got a couple of years anyway to stack it up. And as soon as it makes a new high, we'll dump. And start it all over again. Just doesn't make sense to sell now, that's all. But yeah, anyways, that's it for this one. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up. See you later.